So we have to integrate sine inverse this. Okay, so how we will respond, look at here. So you know that we don't have any direct formula for integration of this function. Okay, and also you know that when we have solved inverse trigonometric function, we relied on tan majorly. Okay, and we have to convert our question into tan because the answer is in terms of tan. If we will ignore tan and we will solve directly in terms of sine inverse, we will get in answer, we will get sine inverse. Okay, sense of sine inverse. So what we will do, first we will convert this situation into tan. So suppose that sine inverse root over x by 1 plus x will be theta. So can I say that sine theta will be equal to root x upon root over 1 plus x. So you know that the perpendicular is root x, hypotenuse is 1 by root x. Now you can connect with the base. Okay, so base will become what? Root over hypotenuse ka square minus perpendicular ka square. So this thing gone, so base is 1. So can we write down this question in terms of tan? So tan inverse perpendicular root x by base 1 dx. Now we have to integrate this function. You know that we don't have any direct formula which is associated with inverse function. So what I'll do, I'll be using integration by parts. Okay, so I late. So you know that inverse, if you have inverse function, you will take it as the first function. So we will multiply by 1, means it is same thing, no? So it is tan inverse root x integration dx minus whole integration differentiation of tan inverse root x dx integration of 1. Now integration of 1 is x, tan inverse root x minus differentiation of tan inverse root x is what? 1 plus x, and then we have differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x है ना, and differentiation of 1 is x. Okay, so if we will eliminate this, we will be left with root x dx. Now x tan inverse root x minus 1 by 2 root x dx 1 plus x. Okay, now you have to integrate this function. But look at this, don't you think it is bit ugly? Okay, so what I will suggest you guys, treat this root x as z. So dz by dx will become what? 1 by 2 root x. Okay, now respond accordingly. So we will have what? X tan inverse root x minus 1 by 2. Now root x is z. Now dx will be what? In place of dx, can I write 2 root x dz? है ना? And you know that root x was what? Z. So it will become z. Okay, and 1 plus z square. This 2 gone. Now let's simplify this thing little bit more. Tan inverse root x minus z square 1 plus z square dz. So what I'll do, I'll add 1, I'll subtract 1 for simplifying things. So it will look like x tan inverse root x minus dz plus dz by 1 plus z square. Now respond. X tan inverse root x Now this time we will have integration of 1, we will have z. So who is z? Z is root x. Now this is tan inverse z. So tan inverse, who is z? Root x plus integration constant c. So this is the integration of given question. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can connect with ax. Ax is the coefficient of tan inverse x. So ax is x plus 1 and bx is minus of root x. Okay.